I got gutted.
Well, that exploded a lot. Exterminator 87 here. Again, if you watched the other video right before it. We're doing the Rossi R92 and 357 Magnum this time. I had both out here. They kind of match. I figure I'd do them both together. A quick demo here of a Smith & Wesson and the same 357 Magnum cartridge. The rifle shoots the same 357 Magnum or 38 special revolver ammunition. That kind of ammo compatibility between a revolver and a long gun is a big draw for me and others, I suspect. You only have to worry about carrying one type of ammo if it works in both of the guns you are hiking with or hunting with, or if it's all you come across. A lot of the specs on the other rifle are very much the same on this one, so I'll just run through them real quickly. This one has the 20-inch barrel. It's about 5.7 pounds. This one, like the other one, is based on the Winchester 1892 Action. It's a proven design, and I think Rossi did it alright. It's like an economy gun, really, but I think it's very nice for what it is. Lots of fun to shoot. We've been wearing it out. I've shot this one before, of course, in a video a while back, but I never done a video just on this gun. This one holds 10+1. It'll shoot 38 special too, of course, and we'll shoot that as well. Just like the other one, has the crescent butt plate. It's all stainless. Brazilian hardwood furniture. Oh. There's a drop there.
Fell off the back of the porch.
And like the other one, it's got the drift adjustable buckhorn style rear sight and the gold bead front sight. And we're gonna shoot it out here, just like the other one. This one also belonged to my friend who passed away, so this video is kind of for him too. Eddie, we miss you. We're gonna enjoy your gun today and shoot it in your name. All right, guys, let's get to shooting it. Well, I've already shot it, but you know what I mean.
Reload it while I put stuff out.
Put in already.
It's in a cool dry place. So.
Yeah, today's gonna be easy.
Ready?
Yeah, whatever you want. That was a hit.
These little bottles suck. Guess I'm empty.
Like it?
Yeah. Oh no.
Already?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. This one isn't as like unwieldy.
Just a couple get the feel for it.
Yeah.
3 pieces of that go down my shirt.
I think these round nose bullets go in a lot easier too. 357. Should have moved them barrels so you can shoot that plate. It's not gonna, it probably won't knock it down. You like it?
Yeah.
Those are quiet too.
Excellent.
I love it.
You might have a lot of pumpkins next year.
Like most other 357s, you can also fire the 38 special and the 357 out of it. I'm gonna put the 38 special in first on this one. .38 first. I'm gonna go ahead and load up a few 38 specials in this thing, just to try it out.
After eating the snow.
Rapid shoot these 38s at this breastplate. Fire in the hole.
Excellent.
Yep.
Well, this concludes the two-part Rossi R92 videos. This one being 357. Really like these guns. They're fun, little plinkers. And yeah, be sure to follow us on Instagram, like, favorite, subscribe, keep shooting. We'll see you next time. Exterminator 87 signing out. Eddie, this video is for you. Nice.
It's a little snappier. Good to go?
Yeah. I think it's fun.
Yeah. There's like zero recoil.
Yeah.
It doesn't kick.
Nick, don't.
Okay, fine.